and ethical behavior. Furthermore, good governance begins with fostering an ethical corporate culture. In this regard, transparency is a cornerstone of good governance. Companies must ensure that they are open and transparent in their dealings with stakeholders. Moreover, diversity and inclusion are vital in creating good governance as they bring varied perspectives, experiences, and ideas to decision-making processes. Inclusive governance fosters fairness, transparency, and accountability by ensuring that all voices are heard, leading to a more balanced and ethical outcome. While diversity and inclusion are critical for corporate success, these initiatives must be supported by a robust governance framework. And we heard Mr. Chunaw when he spoke about the changes that we made in their company by fostering inclusiveness and taking everybody on board. And the company, we've got a company just next door to Pakistan Cables, the Nooriabad power project. And I don't know if Sarmat Sahab, you also take government projects into consideration when you do excellence, because we feel that our projects you should start doing that, because we've got this in the coal mining company, we've got the Nooriabad power project, we've got this Sindh Transmission and Dispatch Corporation. All, I believe, would be able to compete in getting an award from MAP next time. In today's interconnected and globalized world, corporate excellence is no longer a choice. It is a necessity. Companies that aspire to grow and compete on a global scale must adopt best practices in governance, leadership, and innovation. MAP's emphasis on corporate excellence has played a critical role in guiding Pakistani companies towards these international standards. By staying on par with global trends in governance and management, our businesses can succeed in the face of increasingly complex challenges. Ladies and gentlemen, we live in challenging times. Pakistan, like many other nations, is facing significant economic, social, and environmental challenges. From navigating economic volatility to grappling with the effect of climate change, the obstacles we face require resilient leadership and strong governance at every level, including within the corporate sector. In times of crisis, the strength of good governance becomes even more apparent. Organizations that uphold transparency, accountability, and ethical practices are more likely to weather these storms and emerge stronger. These challenges demand a collective response where both the public and private sectors must work hand in hand to develop sustainable solutions that benefit all. Corporate governance plays a critical role in this context. When companies implement strong governance frameworks, they not only protect their own interests, but also contribute towards overall stability of the economy. In a country like Pakistan, where all sectors must contribute positively to growth and development, it's imperative that companies embrace corporate excellence as a core principle. The world today is changing at a rapid pace, and businesses that fail to adapt to new realities risk falling behind. From advances in technology to shifts in consumer behavior, we are witnessing a transformation in how businesses operate. International trends in corporate governance have evolved, placing greater emphasis on sustainability, corporate social responsibility, and digital transformation. Pakistani companies must not only be aware that these trends, but actively integrate them in their strategies. I urge all businesses in Pakistan, both large and small, to stay updated on global best practices and implement policies that align with international standards. This will not only enhance their competitiveness, but will also ensure they contribute to the development of a more resilient and dynamic economy. By doing so, they will foster an environment where innovation thrives, enabling them to compete on equal footings with global players. The role of business in society has changed dramatically. Today, companies are expected to go beyond profitability and take on more responsible roles in shaping the future. Good governance provides a platform for organizations to deliver long-term value, not just for their shareholders, but also for all stakeholders, including employees, customers, and the communities in which they operate. The shift in mindset is critical if we are to build a more inclusive and prosperous Pakistan. As we look to the future, the need for corporate excellence in Pakistan has never been greater. The ongoing challenges faced by the country, whether related to the economy, public health, or the environment, underscore the importance of having a strong, ethical, and well-governed business. The private sector has a key role to play in driving growth, creating jobs, and contributing to the sustainable development of our nation. But this can only happen if companies adhere to the highest standards of governance. I would also like to take a moment to recognize the incredible efforts of the companies being honored here today. Your commitment to upholding the principles of good governance, corporate social responsibility, and innovation is commendable. And I have no doubt that you will continue to serve as a role model for others. The awards you receive today are not just accolades. They are a reflection of your dedication to building a better and stronger Pakistan. I encourage you to continue striving for excellence, embracing new ideas, and leading with integrity and vision. I once again extend my congratulations to Management Association of Pakistan for organizing this prestigious event. Your work has been instrumental in advancing the cause of good governance in Pakistan, and I am confident that you will continue to lead the way in fostering business culture rooted in transparency, accountability, and excellence. To the award recipients, congratulations on your achievements. Your commitment to corporate excellence sets a high standard for all, and I hope that your success will inspire others to follow in your footsteps. Together, let us continue to build a Pakistan where businesses can thrive, where good governance is the norm, and where excellence is not just rewarded but expected. Thank you very much. Pakistan Zindabad.